welcome you all to the valedictory function of Yukti 2020. Every start has an end. We would like to welcome to the valedictory function of Yukti 2020. Let's stand up for Tamil Thai Vartha.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Now, we would like to welcome the Gautam Ganesh, our committee secretary, to give a welcome speech.
A warm welcome to all gathered today. On behalf of the organizing team, I extend my sincere thanks to Almighty, making Yukti 2020 a resounding success. Yukti 2020, a 6-day long event conducted between 26th to 31st of October 2020, comprised of 20 plus events ranging from both academical and cultural sectors. We had more than 1,500 registrations from students all over India pursuing varied courses like MBBS, BDS, AHS and post-graduation taking part in this movement. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we had conducted all the events on the Zoom Meet forum. With the help of our event in charge and volunteers belonging to Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital, it is possible. These events were telecasted live in Yukti 2020's YouTube channel and received a great accumulation. We also sent feedback form to all the participants and got some exciting reviews. Presenting those to you. Thank you.
That was a wonderful speech. Now, we would like to welcome our respected organizing secretary, Dr. K. Dinesh, to give felicitation.
Good morning. Good morning, and I welcome you all for the closing ceremony of Yukti 2020. It was an exciting 1 week of event. Actually, when we planned an online, we didn't think that it will go in such an exciting manner, and it was so interesting. And for us also, it was interesting. It was new to us. And I'd like to, at this juncture, I'd like to thank our management of Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital for giving us the permission, and also our respectable Dean Sir, who has always been the pillar of support for all the events which we conduct, and also the student, the organizing secretaries, the Nishant, the Sneha, and Gautam for giving me, for arranging everything in a very neat manner. every event was started in a perfect timing and it ended in a perfect timing, and there was no any lag. And so I have seen the feedbacks of a lot of students who have participated, and the feedbacks were very good. And I was actually yesterday I was going through the Instagram post, and I saw very different medical colleges all over the world, from Bangalore, or even from Delhi. Everywhere they were participated. I was so happy to see that. I'd like to thank all the committee members for pulling up such a great event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. Now, we would like to welcome our respected team, Dr. W.M.S. Johnson, to give the valedictory speech.
A warm good morning to one and all gathered here, and for those who are watching it online. At the outset, I should congratulate the Team Yukti 2020 for organizing this event in a very wonderful way, in spite of all the odds against working us. In fact, I should say this online version of Yukti has attracted many students from across the country. As the organizing secretary, Professor Dinesh, was mentioning, I was also scrolling through Instagram last evening, and I came to know that prize winners are from far and wide. And that's really a nice thing, because you are competing with many other students from many parts of the country. And again, I should thank the management for permitting us to conduct this event, for the chief guest who came on the inauguration day, and each one of the organizing team for taking extra pain. We have been facing trouble in conducting online classes, but you people have conducted this culturals and academic event in a very effortless manner, and everything went on time. In spite of my schedule, I was participating in few events, and especially the debate on suicide prevention. I'm astonished at the way the students are coming out with their opinion, expressing their views, and I'm sure that you will not give up, Dinesh. Next year version, God willing, should be conducted in our campus, and I wish you all the very best. Hearty congratulations to the prize winners, and my heartiest congratulations to all the participants. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. We would like to end the success of Yukti 2020 with a sweet note. We request Honorable Dean to cut the cake. Now, Committee Secretary T. Gautam Ganesh will hand over the remote to our respected team.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Committee Secretary Sneha Sendal to give the vote of thanks.
On behalf of the entire Yukti 2020 team, I would like to start by thanking our college, our management, our beloved Dean Dr. W.M.S. Johnson, our Organizing Secretary Dr. K. Dinesh for their support and guidance to organize this intercollegiate virtual summit Yukti 2020 despite this COVID-19 pandemic. We convey our heartfelt gratitude to our batch of Ignizains, in charges and supporters, and the jury of all the events conducted online for their coordination and continuous support throughout this journey. A special mention to our sponsors, Dr. Bhatia Medical Coaching Institute, Dr. Fitness Gym, Zubi Candies, Medicos app, Dr. Rajesh ENT app, L Face Pack, Video Mixies and Grinders, Casual Agencies, and I would love to thank all the volunteers and in charges once again for their continuous support, and we convey our heartfelt thanks and support to all the members who supported us, and thank you all once again.
Now we would like to stand up for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. Congrats, ma. Very good.